Here.
Mom.
I'll record it.
That's me, weirdo.
So.
This is Samantha and Lexi trying to start the lawnmower because we have all been unsuccessful because we're a bunch of girly girls.
I'm not girly.
Okay, come on. Ready? What? Oh. On your mark, get set, go.
I'll just get it. Or not. Wait. Oh my god. It's gonna be that one spot that's only cut.
Do you think that would work?
That was Sunny though.
Wait, do you think that would work if, like, if we
You want to
just keep
pull
on
it a
doing
billion times going
No.
around?
No.
The motor is turning, not the blade.
Oh.
Girls.
Yeah, Sam. It's the motor.
Not the blade.
But then we go to the old school way.
No, you gotta run around the yard with it.
Yeah, just run it.
Don't stop. She's getting stuck.
And it's just sad because we have a little lawn.
Sam, it's you.
Wait.
I don't think you're having good success
No, it's
there.
not even going. Ready?
Dude, she was sitting right there and she looked like she was possessed and she looked all scary and everything.
Whatever.